In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft account using your Gmail account. This is a simple and quick process that you can complete in just a few minutes, and I'll guide you through each step to make it as easy as possible. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft website. You can simply type in microsoft.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, take a look around and find the sign in button. You'll usually find it in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you've clicked on sign in, you'll see an option that says no account, create one. This is what you're looking for because it's your entryway to setting up a fresh new Microsoft account. Select this option and you'll be prompted to begin the registration process. Next, you'll need to enter your Gmail address. This is where your new Microsoft account will be linked, so make sure you enter it correctly. Once you've done that, the website will guide you through the account creation process. Do take your time here to ensure that everything is filled out correctly. Creating a strong, secure password is one of the most important steps in setting up your account. Think of a password that combines a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your account stays protected. Additionally, there'll be a few other fields you need to fill with the required information like your name, country, and date of birth. These help Microsoft personalize your experience and are essential data points for your account security. Now, an important verification step. You may need to verify your Gmail address by following instructions that will be sent to your email. This step ensures that you actually have access to the email address you're registering with. So, head over to your Gmail inbox, open the message from Microsoft, and follow the instructions contained within it. This usually involves clicking on a link to confirm your email address. Once your account is created and verified, congratulations, you're in. Now, you can manage your Microsoft account and personalize it further. You can even add aliases to your account, which includes your Gmail address or any other email you'd like to associate with your Microsoft account. Having aliases is handy as it allows you to sign into Microsoft with alternative email addresses. And there you have it, a complete new Microsoft account using your Gmail. You're now equipped to explore all the features and services Microsoft offers. I hope this guide was helpful and that you enjoy using your new Microsoft account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.